Look at those clouds. I think we should turn back.
Nonsense. I have to get to Washington tonight. I am the most brilliant thinker in the cabinet, and the president needs my opinion on a very important subject. It doesn't look good. I've flown through worse weather than this. I have the sharpest brain in the cabinet, and I say we go on.
Hold on! We could be in trouble, and we have on 3 parachutes. The bird is coming down.
I'm out of here.
There's only 1 parachute left. What do you think we should do?
I think we should pray, my son, to see which of us deserve the parachute.
You're right, Father.
God told me that I was the one to figure a way out of this one, sharp brain.